because Filipino, the way they're trying to push it out is that they get different words from different languages in the Philippines and saying like, oh, it's a language that's supposed to be representing all the ones in the Philippines. So it's like you look at English and at least 60% of the words in English are French.
Oh.
But then again, like, does it make it French? No, it's still English as a language. So no matter how many words you borrow from different ethno-linguistic groups in the Philippines, Filipino will remain a dialect of Tagalog.
That's interesting. A dialect of Tagalog. It's not actually Tagalog. Kasi sa akin, parang it's just Tagalog that is rebranded.
Yes,
diba?
exactly.
Diba?
There is a lot, like people don't realize what the difference between a dialect and a language is.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have two things na you think they're languages, if they're mutually intelligible, which means they can understand each other, then they are the same dialects of the same language. But if you have something that is not if they're mutually intelligible, then that means they're the same language, but or dialects of the same language. But if they are not mutually intelligible, they're different languages na.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin kahit may mga differences, magkakaintindihan pa rin kayo nung kausap mo kung parehas dialects.
Yes.
I see. So, let's say two different dialects have enough similar words that is intelligible to both speakers. Okay. So, but then again, yung Filipino languages, how many
I put languages in the Philippines. I don't like using the term Filipino languages.
Okay.
For the same reason like before.
I see. So let's say Tagalog. Ilan yung derivatives na dialects ng Tagalog sa tingin mo?
I don't know the exact number, but there's like Tagalog Batangas, Tagalog Marinduque, the Tagalog they speak in Quezon Province
So,
as well.
Tagalog Batangas is a dialect?
Yes.
Wow. Kasi, sabagay, do you consider na parang kahit yung intonation lang is enough variation to
No,
consider
it's really
as-
the mutual intelligibility. And there's different thresholds when you talk to different linguists. So it's like some people are like, oh, if they're 80% mutually intelligible, then they are different languages. But there are people that are like, oh, 86%. No, they're still dialects of the same language. So it really differs from researcher to researcher.